what's the trick to keeping the house tidy? Alexa, ask Vactidy T6 to start vacuuming. It's absolutely amazing. It automatically picks up dirt and debris easily by moving effortlessly from room to room, from hard floor to carpet. I trust T6 because it's very capable of cleaning, and it leaves no place for dust to hide. It goes under low furniture and hard-to-reach places smoothly with its slim body. Of course, it also recognizes the dangers of falling from edges or stairs. The Vactidy Smart app is incredible. I usually set it up when I leave the house, and it always gets the job done perfectly by the time I get back. Such a time saver for me. It's really quiet. See? Even my doggie is satisfied with it. T6 frees my hands, so I have more time to do whatever I want. Relax and say goodbye to complex cleaning.